Welcome to lesson number 2, 11th grade. Today we are going to learn about the explanation of subject and object questions. So let's hit it. First of all, let's pay attention to the instructions. First, pay attention to the explanation and take notes in your notebook. Second, write down the questions that you have from the explanation. Third, when the topic is understood, go to Comprueba tus conocimientos to answer the questions. This is the topic that we are going to learn today, subject and object in English. First, let's review the difference between a subject and an object. The subject of a sentence is the person or thing that performs the action. Let's see some examples about it. We want some fruit juice. Karen likes Fred. Smoking causes cancer. Daniel make a sandwich. The earthquake damaged my house. Jennifer lied to Sam. Now, the object of a sentence is the person or the thing that is acted upon or receives the action. We want some fruit juice. Karen likes Fred. Smoking causes cancer. Daniel makes a sandwich. The earthquake damaged my house. Jennifer lied to Sam. Did you pay attention to the details? Now, let's go on. Questions in English. Most questions in English are object questions because we want to know about the receiver of the action. These questions follow the Quasum formula or the QUASM formula. You choose. This formula is about question word plus auxiliary verb plus subject plus main verb. It's important that you pay attention to these details because it's going to help us to understand everything about it. First, for questions in the simple present, the auxiliary verbs are do or does. Remember that? Examples. What do you want to drink? We want some fruit juice. Who does Karen like? Karen likes Fred. What does smoking cause? Smoking causes cancer. Second, for questions in the simple past, the auxiliary verb is did. What did Daniel make? Daniel made a sandwich. What did the earthquake damage? The earthquake damaged my house. Who did Jennifer lie to? Jennifer lied to Sam. Now, let's go to subject questions in English. However, sometimes we want to ask about the subject. We don't know the person or thing who performed the action, and we want to find out. This type of question is called a subject question. And subject questions do not use the auxiliary verb do, does, and did. This is important. So how to form subject questions? Well, we are going to use the WA questions, who or what at the beginning of the sentence, or in this case, at the beginning of the question. Plus verb in simple present or simple past, plus object, and finally the question mark. Well, according to that, we need to gonna find some examples of subject questions in the simple present. Who wants some fruit juice? It would be the question. We want some fruit juice. Who likes Fred? Karen likes Fred. What causes cancer? Smoking causes cancer. And the examples of a subject question in the simple past. Who made a sandwich? Daniel made a sandwich. What damaged your house? The earthquake damaged my house. Who lied to Sam? Jennifer lied to Sam. The simplest rule for subject-object questions. going to ask a question in the simple present or simple past using who or what. Ask yourself first. Am I asking about the doer of the action or the receiver of the action? If you are asking about the doer subject, then don't use do, does, and did. There you're going to find some examples according to that. But if you are asking about the receiver object, then yes, use do, does, and did. There you're going to find two examples about it. You have reached the end of the explanation. Remember that you must have your notes in the notebook. Now go to Comprueba tus conocimientos to answer the questions.